The water in our campground is so clear. I want you to see it. Guy on a double bike. Guy on a double bike.
The guy in front of us is on a double bike.
It's kind of a cool find. We're driving along the one, and then we saw
this little hike.
Back in Morro Bay, Kayak Horizons surprised us with a kayak trip around some seals that just hang out in the harbor. They were swimming all around our kayaks. It was awesome. Hey, ostrich.
You guys are crazy.
Welcome to Solvang, California's answer to the Dutch. This is home of cheese, delicious pretzels, and of course, fine California wines.
Save yourself a lot of money.
Yeah.
So that's
Our last campsite had this fantastic where the sidewalk ends feel, which was both haunting but also romantic.